How's the JBL Go 3 going after 3 years? Hi guys, great day. This is Ryan. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. And this time, we're gonna take a look at this JBL Go 3. The JBL Go 3 is one of those Bluetooth speaker from the JBL Go lineup, and this is the third JBL Go that I have. I have a JBL Go here, the first release. I have also a review of this on this channel. I put the link on the description right here, or also on somewhere up here. And also I also have this JBL Go2 Plus at that, and also I have a review of how it's doing after 3 years or so. So this is a JBL Go 3 in this teal and gray variant. So this also has been released a couple of years back, and this is the third one I have, and this is also exactly about 3+ years with me. I'm using this whenever I'm outdoors, I'm out of town, going to the beach or whatsoever. And this is one of my go-to speakers because before I had the Clip 4, this is the JBL speaker that I really love. So as you can see, the buttons are still intact, the plus, the minus, the play, pause button. The pairing button is there. Of course, that's a Bluetooth connect, power button, and the Go 3 logo right there. We're gonna focus that a bit, take a look at that. And of course, right here is the charging port, which is a type C, and the dangling here. And this is basically 3+ years, and it sounds still good. Of course, not to mention the long battery life that it has. Now let's go for the downside of the speaker after 3 years. Now, not much on the performance, not much on the sound, but on the physical features. So where's that? What's that? Right here. You can see that. At the bottom, you have this foot guard, or I don't know how it's called, but then this is used so that when you make the speaker stand, it will stand and not slip off. Now, as I have noticed after a couple of years, I think the agent that they used to stick this part to this part gets expired, or how you call that it easily chips off. And just a while ago, before filming this, I had this here. The moment I touch this gently, so it easily chips off, but then it's about after 3 years of using it. And as also, maybe right here, it's made up of the same material and the same glue, so maybe this will chip off easily too, so be careful with that. Now, if you ask me if it's still worth it buying, because I saw a lot of people still selling this online, and of course on the official JBL store here in the Philippines, it is still worth it. As long as you take care of this, or if this doesn't bother you at all, then it's still a good buy for 2023, 2024, as long as you take care of it. Now that's it. That's one thing that I've noticed on this JBL Go 3 after 3 years. Not on the performance, but on the physical features. But this is still my go-to speaker, not to mention its portability, and I really love the way it looks. By the way, this is Rai. Don't forget to subscribe. Now after this one, we're gonna try this off by doing a sound test, so that you can see for yourself, or correction, you can hear for yourself how the JBL Go 3 sounds after 3 years. Thanks guys.
like that, y'all.